Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, might have been a long day for all of you. A lot of you cleared, and many of you would not have been able to clear this examination. Now, this live session is for those who have this consistent doubt about what will be the exemption, how many marks should I score, how many papers should I write. Though we have done this earlier, I want to keep it brief so that we don't waste too much of your time. So on screen, if you can see the screen, if you can hear my audio video properly, just reply back to the comment that yes, you are able to listen, because in the last two YouTube lives, initial part of the video itself was cut, right? So I'll just wait for someone to confirm. Yes, yeah, I got a confirmation from a couple of students that yes, my audio and video is clear. If yes, please put down in the comment. And also you can share your results and your questions related to exemptions, right? Whether you have passed one group, whether you have not passed any, whether you have got exemptions, anything of that sort, you can just put down in the comment section. The reason why I'm doing this today is a lot of students have been sending messages on WhatsApp, on forums, on our on our help teams number, that what will happen to the exemption. So I'm keeping it very short and simple. These are existing scheme, group 1, group 2. These are new scheme, group 1, group 2. First, if you have cleared group 1, so I'm talking about group 1, you have cleared group 1 means all these 4 subjects have been passed, you have passed this. Then what should I write in group 2? In group 2, in the new scheme, you need to write only audit and FMSM, only these 2 subjects. Remaining subjects you are not required to write. Even CMA, even if you have scored in cost and management accounting, even if you have scored 40, you don't need to write. So first category, I'm just summarizing for all benefits. Group 1 passed. What do you need to write? You need to write FM plus SM and audit. Sir, how many marks to score? You need to score 100 marks, not in each subject, in both subjects put together, and minimum of 40 in each. Okay, this costing marks is not relevant. Now I'll just show it to you how the mark sheet looks. This is from one of our students who have passed unit 10 in the the recent examination, that is the normal examination. Now as you can see, that student had to write advanced accounting, scored 58, auditing 42, EIS SM 50, and then passed the group by scoring 150 out of 300. FM and Eco was exempted because in the earlier scheme, the student had passed that paper of cost accounting and financial management, right? So this is how it works. It was unit 10. Like this, I have made a detailed video about which unit is applicable. We have already done it in the past. You can have a look at that particular video. So I think it is clear. Group 1 passed. No need to think about anything. FMSM and audit is what you need to write. And you have to score 100 marks and 40 in each. Existing costing marks is not relevant. Okay, that is the first category. Second category of students who have passed group 2. Now group 2 passing, even, and this attempt, I don't know, even in our set of students, group 1 versus group 2 is like 1:2 ratio. If one student has passed group 1, 2 have passed group 2. Okay. Now if you have passed group 2, there is not much benefit to you other than, anyways, you have passed advanced accounting, so that is exempted. Audit, SM and FM. So basically, if you have passed group 2, then what will happen? Then your advanced accounting is exempt. You have passed advanced accounting because of this. Audit is exempt. FM and SM is exempt. So these 2 papers and this paper is exempt. You have to write law, tax and CMA. So second category of students, group 2 passed. What do you need to write? Law, tax and CMA. So how will we write 3 subjects in 2 different groups? You will have a separate unit for these 3 subjects, and based on that you will write your examination, right? So we have covered this. Now comes the third category of students where they have got exemptions either in the current attempt or in one or more previous attempts. So if you have got exemptions, then what do you need to do? For example, if you have got exemptions, so I'm taking a different color so it is clear. If you